Any doubts?
No.
No? Okay, so we will just start with this question that I gave you all. Wait, before the question, we'll start with an example. So what does the example say? P is a point. My screen is visible to everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
P is a point equidistant from two lines L and M intersecting at point A. Show that the line AP bisects the angle between them. So children, this is a question. Now, basically what it is given here is that you have two intersecting lines L and M. The figure is also a part of the question only. So the figure, you don't have to worry how we'll draw. This is line M, and then you have a line L. Okay. And it is given P is a point that's equidistant. So here you have one more line. And this is a point P. Okay. And what you have to show is, show that AP, so this point is A, this is P. Here you have two perpendicular lines, bisects the angle between them, right? So basically you have to prove that this angle, see children, this angle is being bisected. So basically I have to prove that this angle, oops, 1 second. You have to prove that this angle is equals to this angle. Okay. This angle is equals to this angle. This is what you have to prove. So children, I can call this as B and this as C, right? Now, that how can I prove that the two angles are equal to one? Tell me, children, can I do something with the triangles? Children, please
Yes,
respond.
ma'am.
Tell me, which two triangles can I take?
Ma'am, ABP and AC.
Yes, so I will take in triangle APC and triangle APB. First of all, what I have? Tell me.
Angle ABP is equals to angle ACP.
Yes, children, I have angle ABP is equals to angle ACP. Why? Because each 90 degree. Then children, see, it was also given to us that P is equidistant. So that means this line is equals to this line. So I can also say PB is equals to PC. Why? Given in the question. And now children, also I have AP is common line. So AP is equals to PA, common.
Yes.
So now children, which identity are we using? The right angle, the hypotenuse?
AAS.
No. I told you ASS, you have angle, side, but ASS is not any congruency. So what is it called? You have a right angle, you have a
SA.
hypotenuse, and you have a side. So that's RHS, children. So thus, by RHS, triangle APC is congruent to triangle APB. Okay? And angle, what was the name of the angle? BAP is equal to angle CAP by CPCT, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Got the answer, children?
Yeah.
Yes,
Everyone understood? Okay, so
Yes,
children, if you
ma'am.
want to copy the solution, just quickly copy it and
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
if you've got any doubts.
Done.
Okay, children. So let's move to the next one. Does anybody has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No doubts?
No.
Okay, so
Yeah.
now move to the next question. See, now what does the children, please put off your mic because the voice is echoing. See, the next question is triangle ABC
This question is in NCERT, so this question number.
and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC and vertices, one second, and vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at point P, show that. So there are 4 points. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Then second point is triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Then third point is, let's first, okay, AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, so children now understand the question well and just look at the figure very carefully. Now the figure is also given in the question. You have A, B, C is a triangle. This is the figure. So children, let's read the question again. It says triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles. So where is ABC? ABC is this one. So that means this is equal to this. That means AB is equals to AC because it is given in the question. And DBC also they are saying is isosceles. So DB is equal to DC. Okay. And the vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. If the AD is extended at point P, now you have to show that children triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So children, look here. You have to show this triangle is congruent to this one. This is what you have to show. Children, just remember this one thing. AB is equals to AC and dB is equals to dC. So first is this part. Can everybody do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, children, by what property?
Ma'am, by SSS.
By SSS. Very good. Children, but again, I have only Umema answering in the class. Amar, you tell me. Explain me the entire step. Am I audible? Is Amar there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Amar is there. Yeah, Amar, put on your camera. Put on your mic at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Put on your mic. Children, is the meeting still not in the focus mode?
No, ma'am, it's still not in the box.
Camera is on.
Yes, Amar, I think you have some network issue from your end. Bedel, you tell me the answer. Bedel, you explain me the steps. Bedel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bedel, explain me the steps.
Yeah, ma'am.
Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bedel, explain us
ma'am.
the steps. What are we going to do here? Okay, Umema, you tell me.
Ma'am, proof is that AB is equals AC and DB equals DC. It's already given, and then AD is common. So
Yeah.
SS.
So, children, just quickly write the proof in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. AB is equals to AC, BD is equals to CD, and AD is equals to AD. These both are given. This is common. So, thus, by SSS criteria, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chill. Everybody has to respond. Vidal, do you have some network issue from your end?
Yeah.
And what about Hafsa?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Vidal. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So, and what about Hafsa? Yeah, ma'am. Okay, so children, look here. Next question is you have to prove that triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. So basically now you have to extend the reach. So this whole triangle, this pink triangle and this yellow triangle now, you have to prove that these are congruent. The whole pink and the yellow one. Okay. The entire AVP and APP. So children, this one you'll do on your own quickly and tell me the solution.
Okay, ma'am.
Did anybody complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Bidel, Hafsa. We don't have Abdullah today in the class. And Ammar, am I audible to you now?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes. So now, Ammar, you explain me the solution. Children, is the meeting still not in the focus mode?
Yes, ma'am. It's not in the. Yeah, it is.
It is now. Okay. So children, all of you now put on your camera. Yes, and Ammar, explain me the steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Ammar, put off your mic. Okay, but then you explain me. Hafsa, what about you? Hafsa, did you complete the question?
No, ma'am.
Why? Okay, Mama, you explain us the question.
Ma'am, in proof AB is equals to AC. It's already given.
Okay.
And then angle ABP is equals to angle ACP.
Why
As,
ABP? ACP?
as they are the base angles.
Okay, fine. Even if they are base angles, okay, then next what?
And then BP is equals to PC.
Why is BP equals to PC?
No, BP is equals to PC.
Why is BP is equal to PC? Tell me. It is not given in the question that BP and PC are equal.
Ma'am, because AP is bisecting.
No, no, it's not given in the question that AP is bisecting. The only thing that they've given us in the question is that ABC and DBC are isosceles. That's it. Other than this, nothing else is given to you in the question.
Then, ma'am, you have written it over
Where have I written, children?
in the third point.
The third is the question. These 4 points are the questions. They are not like this part you have to prove. It's not given in the question.
Okay.
See, what you will do over here is you take, first of all, can I say that this angle is equal to this angle by CPCT? So I will say AB is equals to AC. Angle BAP is equals to angle CAP. Then AP is equals to PA. That's common. So this is given. This is by CPCT. And this is common. Okay, so which congruency are you using? Side, angle, side. So by SAS congruency. Which triangles? Triangle APB.
Ma'am, how come angle BAD is equals to angle CAP?
By CPCT, children, see, we proved that triangle. See, 1 second. This triangle was congruent to this triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
So I can say all of their angles and all of their sides are also equal. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why those angles are equal to one another. So by SAS congruency, we will have triangle ABP is congruent to triangle CAP. Okay. Children, do this. Quickly do the second part as well. This is the second part. And after copying the second part, now you will do the third and the fourth part also. Now, children, look very carefully. The third part is actually very easy. It says you have to prove that AP is bisecting angle A as well as angle D. See, it is obviously bisecting angle A. Very easy it is. Why? Because angle, you can prove that BAP is equals to CAP. That means angle A is being bisected. But now what about angle D? What will you do if you have to prove that it is bisecting angle D as well? So you will first prove that this small triangle is congruent to this small triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And how can you prove that? Children, can I say that now can I say that BP and PC are equal to one another? I can say BP is equals to PC. And how? By CPCT. Now I can say that. And now I will apply S congruency and prove that these both triangles are also equal and thus angle D is also being bisected. Right? So do the copy the second part and do the third part on your own quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Amar, don't keep sitting idle, just do the works. Start solving.
Yes, ma'am. I was looking at the screen.
Videl, your camera is off. Umema, yours. Everyone's camera is off. Hafsa,
Ma'am, my
put on your camera, everyone, and start doing the question.
Ma'am,
Yes, Umema.
ma'am, you are sharing the screen, right? So we can even see Ammar right now. Like whenever he's talking, he's like visible on the screen. So
Okay. So, Amar, it's okay, fine, children. You all can put off your camera. That's fine. Children, please put off your camera.
no, ma'am. Actually, you're putting me on the screen. That's why I'm visible.
1 second. Now is he not? Now is he's not visible, right?
yes. No,
Okay,
ma'am,
fine.
he's not.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can you explain the third part again?
Okay. First, tell me any doubts in the second part. Second part understood everyone and copied as well.
Ma'am,
Okay, so children, look here. The third says that AP is bisecting angle A as well as angle D. So this question you have to prove. So how will you prove it? First of all, one second. See, this was the figure. A, B, C, D, and P. So, children, if you have to prove that angle A is being bisected and angle D is also being bisected, so you will have to prove that this small angle is equals to this small angle and this small angle is equals to this small angle. Right? This is what you will have to prove.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So, children, what you will do is, first of all, you will see now the upper part, angle A is being bisected. That's easy to prove. Why? Because you have already proved that triangle BAP and triangle CAP are congruent, right? So this part becomes easy. So this part we have already done. But to prove D, like see, there was no angle where angle D was, there was no triangle where angle D was incorporated. So what we will do is, we will first prove this small triangle and this small triangle is congruent, and we will write triangle BDP is congruent to triangle PDC. Why? How are they both congruent? See, side is equals to side, side common again, and BP is equals to PC. See now, Umema, now I can write BP and PC are equal. Why?
Because we
Why
have
can I?
already proved.
Yeah, you have already proved now that triangle ABP and triangle APC are congruent. So now I can easily see that BP and PC are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So by SSS, you can easily prove these both triangles to be congruent, and thus you can say that this small angle is equals to this small angle by CPCP.
Okay.
Understood the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Solve the question now.
Done.
Yes. Everyone has completed?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now the fourth one says that AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So who can explaining me that how can I prove that AP is perpendicular bisector of BC? Can somebody explain me? Children, you're not responsive in the class at all. Am I not audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Nobody can explain me. Now AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. That becomes very easy. Okay, can you tell me how can I prove that AP is bisector of BC? Yes,
Ma'am,
children.
you already proved that.
I have already proved that, but you tell me how. Like you have to write this statement because it's a separate question. So you will write AP is perpendicular is bisector of BC. Why? Because it's BP and PC are equal by CPCT. Then how is it the perpendicular bisector? That means you have to prove this angle is 90 degree. That's only the meaning of perpendicular
Yes,
bisector,
ma'am.
right? So how will you prove
Yes,
that this angle is 90? Write this angle plus this angle is 180,
yes, ma'am.
right? Children,
Yes,
please put off your mic. So you will write this angle. Wait, this black colored angle and this black current colored angle, they are equal, right? So I can say let's call this angle BPO plus angle D plus angle CPD is equals to 180 degree. Okay, also children, can I also say that they are equal to one another by CPCT? Can I say that?
yes, ma'am.
So they are equal also. So I'll write twice of angle BPD is equal to 180 degree. So angle BPD is 180 by 2. That means 90 degree. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, you can do this one also like this. So quickly write the statements and then I'll move to the next question.
Done. Done, ma'am.
Yes, children, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, children. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Okay. This becomes question number 2. And question 2 is AD is an altitude
You are giving this
of.
question from NCR.
Yes, Amar, they are from NCRT only. And in fact, the previous question I also gave you as, like I told you in the last class, that you will try this question on your own. This was the first question. Isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equals to AC. Show that AD bisects BC AD bisects angle A. Okay, so what is the question now? You have a triangle ABC, and this is an isosceles triangle. So I can say AB and AC are equal. Now you have to show that this AD is bisecting BC line. First of all, this point you have to prove. Then also you have to prove that this is the bisector of angle A. So now certain the proof becomes very easy. We have already done a very lengthy question before this, so this should be very easy for you all now. So try this quickly on your own.
Okay.
Now you should be able to do it on your own. Read the question and tell me if you're able to do or not.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Mema.
ma'am, here can we take that ABC is equals to, like, angle ABC is equals to angle, no, angle ABD is equals to angle ACD.
Yeah, you can take that. No issues. You can take that obviously because it's an isosceles triangle.
Done.
Okay, so then let's discuss now. The question says that AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB and AC are equal. So you have to show that AD is bisecting BC. So tell me, children, who will tell me the solution?
Can I say?
Yes.
First, we have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD.
Okay. Triangle AB, let's call this D, right? ABD is equal to triangle ACD. That's correct.
No, congruent.
Congruent, how come?
No. Okay, okay. I thought you. Okay. Yes. Then AB is equals to AC. That's given. Now,
Yes.
then AB
Next,
is equals to AC. That's given.
AB is equals to AC. Okay, correct.
And then AD is common.
And then AD is common. Okay.
So
So
by
with
SAS, congruence.
how SAS? How is it SAS? Now tell me.
Now because side, angle and side.
Tell me. Tell me, Mama, which congruency?
Ma'am, S. No, RHS.
How come RHS? RHS is for right angle, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is for right angle, so how can we use that? Children, now tell me
Ma'am, I
what is
have
the
used SAS.
1 second. Angle is equal to this angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this side is equals to this side,
Yes, ma'am.
and then this side is common. So you have angle, side, and side. How come is it SAS? You have an angle, then you have a side, then you have a side again. If you are thinking like this, that ma'am, I will take side, then angle, and then side, that is wrong. Why is that wrong? Because after this side, this is the next side, this is the next angle that you can take. So if you're taking this pink angle, then you can say it's SAS, but otherwise that's not SAS. Otherwise it's ASS, and ASS is not any congruency. Children, you missed this word. What is the meaning of an altitude? I've explained this many times now. What is the meaning of an altitude? Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. A line segment drawn from a vertex.
That is perpendicular. That's falling at 90 degrees, right? Now, children, these meanings you should know. And I always keep on revising what's the meaning of a perpendicular bisector, altitude. Okay, all of these things are very important. So altitude means a line that's falling to another side at 90-degree angles. So that means this becomes 90-degree. So this becomes RHS congruency, right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Right angle, hypotenuse, and side. So children, you will not take this part. This was the only catch in this question. It's an important question. And you will not take this part, and instead of this, which angle you should take? You will take angle BDA is equal to angle CDA, right angle. Okay. And then by RHS congruency. Okay, so children, complete question number 2 like this, and also do the second part and tell me now quickly. Children completed? Have you done the second part also? Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so please tell me, completed the second part or not? Why no? See, AD bisecting angle A, again, that's very easy. You can say that since they are congruent, this angle is equals to this angle, and thus they are equal to one another by CT, and thus it is bisecting. Okay? You can say it like that. Okay, now next question is two sides. Wait, I'm writing the question, okay? Okay, so children. So the question is there are two sides of AB and BC and the median AM. So like this is the figure. This is one of the triangle A, B, C, then M. Okay, and then you have like this one more P, Q, R, and then again PN. And now they are telling you that AB and BC are equal to PQ and QR. That means this side is equal to this one, and this one is equal to this one, and this one is equal to this one, right? So you have to prove that triangle ABM is congruent to PQN. Okay. So this is very easy by SSS. That's
By
also given to you. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
By SSS. And next you have to prove that triangle. Now this is the tricky part. That ABC is congruent to PQR. Now how will you prove this? ABC is congruent to PQR. So children, try doing this one. Or shall I tell you the solution only? See children, what you will do is, first of all, ABM and PQN done. Yeah, so ABC and PQR. So children, first of all, can I say that you have the triangle ABC, and over here, BM is half of BC, right? And over here, QN is half of QR, because that is the meaning of the median. It's dividing into half. Now tell me one thing, BC and QR are equal. So half of BC and half of QR are also equal. That means BM is equal to QN. Children, 1 second. Please correct this thing. Actually, this was not given to us that it's equal.